Hey, hi guys. Welcome to this video. So now we are going to see something more interesting, like how do you set up your own Facebook business account, right? So this is the topic that we are going to discuss in today's class. So in order to set up your Facebook business account, you need a Facebook account, right? So without having a Facebook account, it is not possible to create any type of account, right? So ensure that you just check over the previous lessons, like how we set up earlier a page and add account and other things. So when you do that, you'll be able to find this class much easier, right? So let's directly get into Google. And now I'm just going to type something like Facebook business account. So when I do that, we will get a link, something like Facebook business suite and Facebook business manager overview. The link will be like business.facebook.com. So all you have to do is you have to just click the link. So when you click here, you'll be automatically redirected to the Facebook business account, right? So it is nothing but the Facebook business suite. Suppose if you already have a Facebook account, it will directly sign into that particular account and you'll be there inside the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the Facebook business suite. So now I'm just going to explain of how this dashboard looks and what are the things that you need to know when it comes to the suit. So here I can just see two pages. So in my Facebook page, I have created two pages in that particular account. Suppose if you have created three pages, the three pages will be reflected over here, right? And when you just come over here, you'll be able to see, suppose if you have three pages created in your one Facebook account, then you'll be able to see the three pages over here. Suppose if you have created four pages in your one Facebook account, then that four pages will be reflected over here, right? And then when you click home, you'll be able to see a dashboard, something like this. Since this page have created just 2 days before, so you won't be able to see much activities going on in here. Suppose if you are posting the posters every day, and suppose if you're running some campaigns, you'll be able to see much more conversions and much more comments here. It all depends upon like how you promote, right? So I'm able to see the recent posts that have been posted and the recent ads that have been posted. And then you'll be able to see the insights. What is like how many people have reached my page and how many likes I've got. You'll be able to see the detailed analysis of your Facebook page in your business account. So Facebook business suite is nothing but a kind of health report card of your Facebook page. Fine. So and then when you click notification, you will be able to see the list of notifications. Suppose if you're running a Facebook ad for your client, right? So when you're planning to run a Facebook ad for your client, the first thing that you need to do is like you need to get the Facebook page access from your client. And suppose if you're running the campaign on your own ad account, so you need not get their particular ad account. That is totally fine. So all you have to do is you have to just get the client's Facebook account, or I mean, if it is for you yourself, that is also fine. I mean, once the access has been sent to you, you will be able to see a notification saying something like XYZ has invited you to this particular page. So you can just click, you have to just accept the invitation and just you can go ahead with the campaigns and whatever you're planning to do with your client or for your own business, right? And then you have something called inbox. Inbox is nothing but you'll be able to see the messages of all. Like you'll be able to see the messages of your messenger, and somebody has texted you on Instagram, or you have comment and you have received a comment on Facebook, anything, right? So any types of messages will be reflected over in this particular dashboard. So that is why most of the marketers use this particular Facebook business suite, so that they can have the entire report of their Facebook and Instagram account in one dashboard, right? So once you start using, you'll get used to this dashboard. It is not very technical, so everyone can definitely get used to this particular dashboard, right? And then we have something called post and stories. So post and stories is nothing but the list of social media posters that have been posted on a weekly or monthly basis. You can just filter the date and just see last 7 days, last 15 days. You just want to check its activity, right? So you can just edit the date and you can just see the insight. So it will, since it is a new account, we are not able to see much of detailed metrics and analytics. Maybe if you are running a campaign regularly, you will be able to see a clear report here. Fine. And then we are going to go to calendar. Calendar is nothing but whatever you schedule over here, you will be able to see over in this calendar. Suppose if you are posting one poster, that poster will be seen in this particular. Maybe if you're scheduling it for today, say like September 3rd, that particular in when you just see over your September 3rd calendar, that particular post will be displayed over here, right? So this is how the calendar and post works, right? And one more thing is like when you just go to post and stories, you have something, an option called create a post, right? So create a post is nothing but instead of going directly to your Facebook page and posting, you can do the posting directly from your Instagram. I'm sorry, directly from your Facebook business account itself, right? So all you have to do is you can just select your Facebook and Instagram account. I am not connected, so it is showing a little bit blur. So I have to just type whatever text I want, and I can just add the photo, whatever link I just wanted to redirect the people to. I can just add, when I just click publish, it will automatically go into my Instagram and Facebook page. So this is how you do a direct post directly from your Facebook business account, right? So we have this option and it is totally free. So there is no charges or no payment. It is totally a free tool that is given by Facebook itself. And then we have something called ads. So here, actually, to log in into Facebook ads, we have two ways, right? So I already taught you in my previous lesson. So I am just going to repeat that once for you. So you can either directly go to Facebook, log in, right? You can just go to your particular page. I'm just going to go into this particular page, and then you can go to Ad Center. Okay, just scroll down. You can just go to all ads, ad manager. Okay, this is one way. And suppose if you want to log in Facebook ad manager using Facebook business suite, that is also possible. So the only thing in the second method you have to do is like you have to log into your Facebook business suite, and from there when you just click on ads, you'll be directly redirected to the same page, right? So when you see, you'll be able to see both the pages are totally same, right? So we have two options to log in. You can just select whichever suits you. That is totally fine. And then we have something called insights. Insights is nothing but the entire analysis report of your Facebook page. Suppose if I'm selecting the other page, I'll be able to see what is activities going on, like how many people have liked, in which demographics people are coming in. So based on that, you'll be able to target campaigns much better. Suppose if my audience is like 18 to 25, and when I'm doing a Facebook page without seeing the audience and I'm directly putting up the age like 18 to 45, then my campaign will definitely not perform well, right? So ensure that you check over the age and gender before running a campaign. And then you have something called more tools. So in more tools is nothing but this is a shortcut of all the things that we saw in our Facebook ad manager, which we discussed already in our previous lesson. So I'm just going to repeat it once more for you. So ad manager, when you just click, it will directly redirect to the ad Facebook ad manager account. And then ad reporting is nothing but the insight. And appointments we have already seen earlier. So you can directly just see the previous video. Yes, so we were talking about more tools. So we have something called appointments and billing. Billing we have already done the basic settings in our Facebook ad account class. You can just refer that video, right? So I'm just going to click the home Facebook business suite. So these are some of the most important setting that you need to know when it comes to a Facebook business account, right? So I hope this video was very helpful for you. Do create the Facebook business account, and before that, ensure that you have a proper Facebook account, and then start creating your Facebook business suite. And if you have any doubts, do let me know in the chat. Thank you.